West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County until 3:30 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pickerington to near Lynchburg, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Junction City, Perry State Forest, Glenford, Somerset, and Thornville. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Pickaway County, central Highland County in south central Ohio, Ross County in south central Ohio, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leesburg, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Leesburg, East Monroe, Danville in Highland County, Mooresville, Samantha, Kingston, Austin, Nottingstiff, Rocky Fort Point, Bainbridge, Highland Holiday, Masseyville, Adelphi, South Salem, New Martinsburg, Highland County Airport, Rocky Fork Lake, Bourneville, Andersonville, and Tarleton. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.